Hi, how are you? I'm Johannah Katz, the dietitian here at Florida Center for Hormones and Wellness, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk about stress eating. So stress eating, emotional eating, these are very common themes that I see with my patients, and I wanted to take a minute to discuss this with you. So when we're feeling stressed, when we're feeling emotional, typically we're reaching for those comfort foods, right? So those ultra-processed foods, those delicious foods that make us feel good in the moment. Well, there was a study that just came out in the British Medical Journal, and I wanted to talk about the results. They discussed how ultra-processed foods can actually increase anxiety and other common mental health disorders by up to 53%. So while we may feel good in the moment that we're giving our body what it needs, we may want to replace those habits, restructure those habits so that you can feel good in the long run and that you can build a healthy body to deal with those stressors better in the future. So if you need help replacing those habits with accountability, with learning about what is right for you, for a sustainable lifestyle, I'm your girl. Give us a call.